In this video, I will show you how to reset your Amazon Fire TV Stick remote and fix any issue that is probably wrong with the remote control. So if for some reasons your remote control is not just working or some buttons are not responding to the TV, resetting the remote control might just help you fix this issue. So first things first, to reset your Amazon Fire TV Stick remote, what you just want to do is to go ahead and unplug the TV from the wall socket. Now this is different from turning off the TV, so make sure you unplug it directly from the wall socket. Now once your TV is unplugged from the wall socket, you want to come over to your remote control again, come over to the back pack, and then you want to go ahead and remove the back battery pack just like so. Make sure you remove both batteries from the remote control, just like so. Now once your remote batteries are out, you want to turn the remote control around, and then you want to go ahead and press on these three buttons simultaneously. So go ahead and press on the left control button, which is this button over here. Press on the back button and the menu button simultaneously for about 5 minutes. So I'll just go ahead and press on mine for 5 minutes. Now after the 5 minutes, you want to release the buttons, and then you want to go ahead and put back the batteries of your remote control. So go ahead and put them back and make sure that you put them properly. And at this point, you want to go ahead and plug back your TV back to the wall socket. Now once the TV is properly turned on, you want to come back to your remote control. Now you want to go ahead and long press on the home button over here for 10 seconds. So just go ahead and press and then hold for 10 seconds. And trust me, after trying this out, your remote control should be working properly without any issue. But if for some reasons your Amazon Fire TV Stick does still not work, one other solution you will want to try is to go ahead and control the Amazon Fire TV Stick using your actual TV remote. Now for this to work, you want to make sure that HDMI CEC is turned on your TV. So you can see from here that HDMI CEC is currently turned on my TV. Now once this is turned on your TV, you can now control your Amazon Fire TV Stick using your actual TV remote. Now once you're able to control your TV using your actual TV remote, what you just want to do is to head over to the settings of your Amazon Fire TV Stick, and then you want to scroll down until you get to controllers and Bluetooth over here. Click on it, and then you want to go ahead and click on the Amazon Fire TV Stick remote over here. Click on it just like so, and then go ahead and click on add new remote. And by searching, your Amazon Fire TV Stick should be able to find your remote control that is not paired with the Amazon Fire TV Stick. Now once you're able to find it, you just want to go ahead and click on it, and automatically your Amazon Fire TV Stick remote should be working properly with your Amazon Fire TV Stick. So you can literally see that mine is working properly over here. That will be all on how to reset your Amazon Fire TV Stick remote and fix any issue with the remote control. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.